I want to ask you this question, that when it's very easy to say that if you change, the world changes. So when does it start? And when it's the you come to know that yes, you are changing and the world is changing for you, how does it happen really?
Okay, so you said, how will, first of all, when I change, I've heard that when I change, my world changes. How will that world change and how will I know it has started? So, what is happening is your expectation is always, I am changing, so the world should start changing, and you're waiting. What you're saying, when will it start? You're waiting for the start of the world to change. Actually, the world inside has to change. The world outside automatically changes when the world inside changes. Which goes on to say, in the Satcharita, Baba has said a beautiful thing, okay? He says, in the middle of a storm, don't get unnerved, don't get nervous. Step back and just look on at the show of things passing before you. Don't get affected by them. This is the supremest form of spiritual evolution and growth. When I reach a stage where I can actually step back and look at things instead of getting affected by things. Right now, if somebody is angry, I get hurt. If somebody is not good to me, I go into negative feelings. The beautiful thing is that we let the world control who we are. In the morning, I dress up and step out, go to work. The first person I meet says to me, such a bright color to office. The whole day goes. The whole day you're not working. What are you thinking? Such a bright color to office. Am I looking so bad? Are my clothes so bad? The locus of control is not inside me. I have given my controls to other people around me. So, when I think if I change, the world changes, I'm thinking if I change, people should change because my control is in their hands. You just said to me sometime before that if somebody is very angry, if I change, will that person's anger go away? The person's anger will not go away. Your dealing with that anger will change. Your handling of that anger will change. What Baba says, stay unruffled. You will take 2 steps back and not become a part of the anger. You see an accident on the roadside. You don't know who the person is, but you go into deep pain. You become the pain. We don't realize we are not the pain. We are not the anger. We are not the problems. We are separate beings. Okay, let me give you a better example. Can you close your eyes for like few seconds? Everybody. Visualize 3 candles. Now let the candles pass by. Now visualize a beautiful waterfall. Now let the waterfall pass by. Now visualize a magnificent house, big beautiful house. See it. Now let that also pass off. Now open your eyes. Are you that candle that you just saw? No? Are you that waterfall? All looking surprised at me. No. Are you the house? You are not your thoughts. You are somebody else. But when you see that anger, you become that recipient of the anger. When you see the pain, you become that pain. Because you think, I am this. If you are not the candle, then you are not even the pain. You are not even the anger. They are all thoughts. They are all things which are not me. I am a pure being, soulful form. I am awareness. I can just step back and look at things passing by. For you, you change yourself. Detach from these feelings which are bothering you. Detach from thinking that you are part of those troubles. If you're not the candle, if you're not the waterfall, then you're not also part of that anger or part of that pain. You are somebody totally different. Take 2 steps back, like Baba says, stay unruffled and look at it. Now, earlier when I used to meet somebody who gets very angry, I used to get angry. I used to get angry also, or very hurt, or very depressed about it. It would bother me for days. Today, when somebody gets angry at me, I smile. And I think it's so sad. There's time for this person to do his learning bit. He will evolve out when Baba wishes. We have all come to this world to learn a lesson. I look at that person with love. I look at that person with sometimes sympathy also. But I don't become a part of it. It could be my own family. It could be very close people who hurt me. It's not like I don't get hurt. But what is my reaction to it changes everything. If your reaction is, I become part of it, then you also suffer in the bargain. If your reaction is, 2 steps back, I have changed, I can deal with this patiently, it'll all change. It won't bother you. If you are patient about it, if you're patient in your handling, automatically the world around you will change. Yes, my pleasure.
शिरडिवासाय विद्महे सच्चिदानन्दाय धीमहि तन्नो साई प्रचोदयात्।